Turn left. What? So me and Raj got separated and this place is beautiful. We have finally reached our destination. So we have officially begun. So we have actually crossed Ruby and we are on a bus. And there has been a lot of traffic here. I should stop recording.
इधर अर्चना स्क्वायर के पास है सन सिटी ना पड़ेगा कहीं और
Right लेना पड़ेगा.
हाँ राइट लेना पड़ेगा क्योंकि चिंगरियाटा से निकल सकते हैं.
Guys, thank you, nice cycle.
Thank you.
22 kilometers left, so we are riding again after the small 5-minute break. That's the ITC, Corona Bangla, if you can see. We have crossed it, and now we are crossing Marriott. This is it, if you can see it. Yeah. We are still going. There has been no stops in Cityscape. We have crossed Nico Park and we are still going. Nice weather. It's little wet. We are little drenched. The drizzling has been happening, but that didn't stop us and we are still going strong. All splashes of mud because there is no mud guard. No mud guard here, no mud. So after 24 kilometers and after 2 hours we have reached DLF ground. I don't even know the place where we are, but like we are still going. We have 17 kilometers more. I know this shit is incredibly far. That's what it makes it more challenging. We have turned on our maps. See Raja behind. Raja. So we have reached literally nowhere. We have reached Amity University, to be honest. No camera stabilization. Now my hands are stable, just like my mental health. We are covered in mud and dust, but we are still going strong. Turn right, turn right. Turn right. Properly trusting Google Maps. We have literally reached nowhere. As you can see, there is no place to go. We again have to go to the same way from where we have come. So me and Raj got separated and he sent me his live location. Great place to ride a cycle, isn't it? Wow. I'm mesmerized by this place. I'm covered in mud. I am sweating like anything. But coming to this place is still worth it, and we haven't even reached the destination. Yeah. Hey, Cuff. It's incredible. Yeah, I think it's the mud. We are fully tired, I'm panting. I have last eaten around 11, I guess, yeah, 11. It's around 4 now. We are full motivated because we just saw an amazing place. Like we are having expectations right now with काफी सही जगह पहुंच गए हम लोग. And as you can see, there are only cows, lake and a sandro. Say hey man. Hello cow. Okay. Man, thanks for ignoring. Oh, just went away, this guy. Just look at it. People are fishing there. We have finally reached our destination. I cannot believe that this is so close to Kolkata and I've never been here. These are like all Kachcha's road, but yeah man, you can manage for the scenery, like it's worth it. I mean, just look at the place, just look at the place. Incredible. क्या है खाने में क्या है? Sprouts, nimki, and what is this? Peanuts, yes. And they're good boys. They went away. We are cutting the apple into 2 equal half by a spoon. Shit. Equal 2 equal half. Amazing shit, sir. Amazing. Yo, it's me again. This place is beautiful and we cannot get over it. The light breeze is coming onto our face and that's the best part. So yeah. Have to finally leave this place because of course we cannot stay here for too long and we have to cover 37 kilometers towards our home again. But this place was something. I cannot get over this place, I'm sorry. I think I have to come back someday again. The road is not that good and there is no street light, so we have to leave. And since I couldn't record, but we stopped for 10 minutes I guess, yeah, to eat some samosa, you know, just fuel up, and we are finally going back because in darkness shadow leaves. Prakash, this guy is Prakash. When Prakash is there, the shadow will be always be there. we have reached Rajarat. We are still to cover 75% of the distance. We are damn tired and our legs are sore and it gets very difficult, you know, to ride back home. So we have reached Eco Park right now and we still have a long way to go. You can see we have reached Vishwa Bangla gate, though we are not going inside. They are just marking the landmark. This is the next day and I came back yesterday and it was too tired to vlog. If you type Kaipul on the Google map, you will find it's a small village on North 24 Parganas and it is situated in Barasat. If you live near Nuwalipur, the same distance will be shown, that's 37 kilometers. Special thanks to Raja for suggesting the place and tagging along. Do check his Instagram handle. He is a photographer and a videographer and he took some of the shots I used in this video. Link will be in the description. Do follow me on Instagram. You will come to know about the latest video I'm working on, or I also share memes and my pictures if you are into it.